can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to ASTRO for another video. Today we're actually going to be talking about the Supreme TNF collaboration and the easiest way to go ahead and buy this collab. I feel like this TNF nupsy is going to go pretty quick, and honestly bro, I used to be against bots, but recently I did join the bot family. I hope y'all don't hate me for it, but I honestly had to, and that's the only reason that I managed to cook up on the box logos last week. This video is sponsored by Addikt. They are an iOS bot who basically secured me a box logo last week. I will talk about them briefly in a little bit. If you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to enter in a giveaway. Right under that is also going to be my room tour. Once that video hits 1,000 likes, we will go ahead and give away a Supreme shoulder bag and a Supreme tee. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. As you guys know, the Supreme TNF drop is this upcoming week, and I honestly feel like this TNF nupsy is gonna go for a lot, considering the fact that there is only one jacket, there is only one color, so this is gonna be a sought after item. Now when it comes to this piece, I do feel like you have two ways of going about it: using a bot, which is possibly the best way to go about it nowadays, or going manual. First, I'm gonna explain the reason why I feel like you should go ahead and check out Addikt. It's because since this item is possibly gonna have really high resale, there's gonna be so many people trying to go for it that manual might honestly not get through. And last week, under the pressure of box logos, they actually managed to get it for a lot of people. I'm gonna put some success right here for you guys. There's probably over 10 pictures of confirmations that I saw, and there's definitely much more. I feel like Addikt is the most reliable and the fastest bot on the market as far as iOS goes. They actually do cover a wide range of things. They cover like 85 different stores, from Supreme, Palace, Undefeated, many stores like Kith, sneakers, a whole bunch of stuff you are covered when it comes to this bot. When it comes to Addikt, there is only a one-time fee. You get to keep it forever, and that's honestly something that's really good, because when it comes to these other bots, you actually have to pay $100 every year to keep renewing your license. So it is really good that you could pay $130, and with my discount code you can also pay less for a permanent bot. That's actually pretty awesome. There's actually a couple people who saw my advice last week on using this bot, and they managed to cook up on the box logo, which is actually pretty insane in my opinion. The fact that they helped a couple of my subscribers to get the box logo is pretty cool. They actually even helped me get one. That's only because they have the most advanced technology for a bot, and that's typically why they get through before other bots do. They have bypass Pookie and so many other things as well. By next Supreme season, they're also going to be adding the in-store sign up, which is honestly really awesome, because I've been trying to sign up to go into the store and I don't get that lucky most of the time. The fact that this bot might go ahead and get you in there is pretty sick to me. So I honestly wanted to go over some of the features that you get from Addikt. You have an unlimited amount of tasks, so I feel like when it comes to the North Face collaboration, you can have a lot of tasks and you might just get through. Like for the box logos, I had like 8 or 9 tasks and 3 of them were getting through. The only reason I only ended up with 1 is because I only had 1 profile. I feel like if I would have had different profiles, I might have ended up with even more than 1 box logo, which is honestly insane. The fact that you can spend $130 for a permanent bot and end up with items that you can make your money back instantly and more on top of it, just from 1 drop. They actually also have a restock mode, so if the box logo sells out or the TNF sells out, for example, and then they start restocking it like they typically do, you also have a chance at getting it through the restocks. I don't know if you guys remember, but for box logo hoodies, they actually restocked a ton of times. Same for the tees. You actually would have had a pretty good chance at buying it if you would have had Addikt. They also offer 24-hour assistance if you guys do need it. There's tutorials on how to set up the bot on their YouTube channel. They do have actual keywords on the bot, so you don't have to search for them or anything. It tells you exactly what to put in, so make it even easier for the user. It's just a really simple bot to go ahead and use, but that's pretty much it for Addikt. I definitely do recommend for you guys to go ahead and check it out. It is $130 for a permanent bot, which you will have a promo code. I'm gonna put it right here in case you guys are interested in checking it out. Honestly, if you're trying to secure the TNF this week, I would definitely recommend checking Addikt out. But if you are trying to go manual for the TNF, I would honestly recommend you guys to go to the Supreme website right? Act as if you're gonna check out, fill all your information in, then at the bottom is gonna say save address. Now when you go in to fill in your card, just put a fake card, put all zeros if you want. Just make sure that everything is filled out, and after that click the little check mark process, and now you refresh the page. Make sure that you do not use your card. When you go to the checkout page, refresh it, your address, your name, and all that information should be saved. Now on the day of the release, all you have to do is copy your card number, and then remember your expiration dates and your CVV, because you might have to put that manually. I do feel like this takes a little bit longer, and honestly lately, bro, we haven't even been seeing the checkout button. That's honestly the reason why I'm recommending you guys to check out Addikt.io. But if you're trying to go for it manual, that's honestly the best way to go about it. Now I do feel like the best piece for this week is definitely that TNF Nupsy. I feel like it's a fire ass piece that I've been waiting to see for a little while. I honestly thought this was gonna remain a sample, but hey, they decided to come out with it, and it's honestly pretty cool the fact that they're releasing it. I feel like retail for it should be $368, $398, which is pretty high, but resale value for this should definitely be way higher. I am gonna be trying to go for this for the personal. I might keep it and resell it in the future, but I am gonna try manual. I'm gonna try using the bot. I hope you guys aren't flustered at the fact that I decided to get a bot, because at this point, bro, I've been taking L's after L's after L's, and if it wouldn't have been for Addikt.io, I wouldn't even have the box logo that came out last week. So I was like, bro, screw it at this point. I'm gonna keep trying manual because that's honestly where my passion is. But if I could be backed by a bot at the end of the day, I really like these pieces. Why can't I have the chance to get it? If there's some people out there buying 15 and 20 of these pieces and not even keeping one, you know what I mean? That pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what you guys thought. I feel like these are the best ways to secure the TNF for this week. Definitely checking Addikt.io out because they secured my box logo. So major shout out to them. And if you are trying to go manual, I also did show you guys that way. That pretty much does it for this video. Let me know if you enjoyed by leaving a like, subscribe down below, comment what your favorite piece dropping this week is. Honestly, the TNF is basically the best shit that's coming out. If there is a full drop list, I will cover it. Just stay tuned for that. That's gonna come out after this video, not today, but tomorrow, I guess. But leave a like, subscribe, click the post notification bells, click the Gleam link if you want to enter in a giveaway, and check out my room tour. Once that gets 1,000 likes, we will do a giveaway for you guys. But I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. I do want to wish each and every one of you happy holidays. I would say Merry Christmas, but I honestly don't know what you guys celebrate, so happy holidays to you guys. Make sure you get litty if that's what you're trying to do. Enjoy your time with your family, open gifts, whatever you know, do your thing. But I'm gonna catch y'all.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.